I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by unwrapping toffees and prepping tools. Place toffees in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Stir gently until smooth. Once melted, add 1 teaspoon ghee for gloss and mix quickly so the toffee remains pliable. Make sure your Rakhi thread is trimmed and a small loop is fixed into the mold cavity now. This lets the melted toffee set around the thread. Work without delay because the mass firms fast. Move to pouring once the toffee is fluid, pour into silicone molds in one smooth motion to avoid stringing. Position the thread loop so it sits flush. You should press a short skewer through the loop to keep alignment. This prevents the thread from slipping when the toffee cools. If you add nuts or edible dust, sprinkle immediately so they embed. Make sure to tap the mold gently on the counter to release bubbles, then move the mold to the refrigerator for firming for about 10 to 12 minutes. You finish by flexing the silicone mold to release each Rakhi and use a warm knife to trim edges for a clean look. Once released, add a tiny dab of melted toffee to seal any gaps where the thread meets candy. This locks the thread permanently. If a piece feels tacky, place it back in the fridge for a few minutes or lightly dust with cornstarch and brush off excess. This solves stickiness without altering flavor. Tie simple knots and your Toffee Rakhi is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.